For the best price, click the link in the description. Have you been considering buying a new mirrorless camera for your YouTube channel or social media content creation? Well, I've got some insights to share with you on the Sony ZV-E10, which may just change the way you think about video production. But here's what surprised me when I started testing this camera: its incredible autofocus system that can track subjects at up to 27 levels of depth. Yes, you heard that right. The Sony ZV-E10 boasts an advanced autofocus technology that allows for smooth and precise tracking of moving subjects, making it perfect for vloggers and content creators who need to capture high-quality footage on the go. There's a catch though: this camera is designed specifically with vloggers in mind. Therefore, it lacks some of the advanced features found in other mirrorless cameras from Sony. But don't let that fool you. Its compact size, flip-up touchscreen LCD, and built-in microphone make it an ideal choice for creators who want to produce high-quality content without breaking the bank. So what's so special about this camera? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. The Sony ZV-E10 boasts a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is perfect for capturing stunning images and videos in various lighting conditions. Its ISO range extends from 100 to 32,000, making it suitable for low-light recording. But here's the thing: this camera also features an impressive 4K video capability at 30p, as well as Full HD at 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion footage. Therefore, you can create cinematic content that rivals professional-grade cameras without sacrificing image quality. Now let's talk about the ergonomics of this camera. The Sony ZV-E10 has a sleek and compact design that makes it easy to carry around, perfect for travel or on-location shoots. Its flip-up touchscreen LCD allows for intuitive control over settings and composition, making it a joy to use even for beginners. But what really sets this camera apart is its advanced autofocus system, which can track subjects at up to 27 levels of depth. This feature alone makes the Sony ZV-E10 an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators who need to capture high-quality footage on the go. So how does it perform in real-world scenarios? Well, I've put this camera through its paces, testing its autofocus and image quality under various conditions. And let me tell you, the results are nothing short of impressive. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable mirrorless camera that can help take your content creation to the next level, keep reading. Now, let's dive deeper into some of the key features and specifications of this camera. 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. ISO range: 100 to 32,000. 4K video at 30p. Full HD at 120 FPS. Advanced autofocus system with up to 27 levels of depth tracking. Flip-up touchscreen LCD for intuitive control over settings and composition. But here's what I found most interesting. The Sony ZV-E10 also features a built-in microphone that provides clear and crisp audio, perfect for vloggers and content creators who don't need an external microphone. Therefore, you can focus on capturing high-quality video without worrying about the sound. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this camera. Pros: advanced autofocus system with up to 27 levels of depth tracking. 4K video capability at 30p, as well as Full HD at 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion footage. Flip-up touchscreen LCD for intuitive control over settings and composition. Built-in microphone for clear and crisp audio. Cons: lack of advanced features found in other mirrorless cameras from Sony. No 4K crop mode. But what's the bottom line? Is this camera worth the investment? Well, I've put together a summary of its key strengths and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. So if you're considering buying the Sony ZV-E10, here are some things to keep in mind. Its compact size and flip-up touchscreen LCD make it perfect for vloggers and content creators who want to produce high-quality content on the go. The advanced autofocus system with up to 27 levels of depth tracking is a game-changer for capturing smooth and precise footage. However, some users may find the lack of advanced features from other Sony mirrorless cameras to be a drawback. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable mirrorless camera that can help take your content creation to the next level, I highly recommend considering the Sony ZV-E10. And as always, don't forget to click on the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. But before you make a final decision, let's answer one more question: is this camera worth the investment? Well, based on its impressive features and capabilities, I believe it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their content creation game. Therefore, if you're ready to take your video production to new heights, don't wait any longer. Get the Sony ZV-E10 today.